James, welcome back to Carburetors and More. Here's your carburetor. The ear still broke off, but I found one of these rare solid loop choke hold downs, and it holds it down properly with the two. And this, as you can see, does not turn, shake, or move. So, and I got your carburetor done. Runs real good. I know the chokes on these things are, you know, we discussed what they cost to get them. So, here we go. Dyno is off, so here we go. Okay. Now we're going to turn the dyno on. Here we go. There you go. All done, nice and good. Good running, ready and clean and looking beautiful. All right, James, thank you for sending your carburetor to us. Have a good day.